Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a padded envelope from Scentsy, so I wanted to share it with you guys. This smells amazing. I was lucky enough to get my hands on, they call it the Gord, as in Gordgeous, Gordgeous Pumpkin 3-pack. So yes, and this bag smells amazing. I cannot wait to smell these. So first up is Bright Cider Life. You guys know how much I love pumpkin scents, so I'm going to be all about this 3-pack. This is cider, pumpkin, and apple. That is delicious. I love that one. Pumpkin chai, or actually, pumpkin tiramisu is next. Ooh. This is pumpkin, brown sugar, and vanilla. Yeah, there's nothing more to say than wow. Pumpkin chai is the last one. You guys, Scentsy knocked it out of the park on this 3-pack. This is white pumpkin, cinnamon, and chai. I literally cannot choose a favorite. I love them all. This 3-pack is still available. I checked this afternoon, but I believe they're going to start winding down, harvest collection orders. So if you want this, I would order no later than Halloween. This 3-pack, I think it was out of stock for a while, and then they brought it back, which is something Scentsy doesn't usually do with the seasonal products. It's usually a while supplies last kind of thing, but because this year was so different, I think they did restock it. Either that or this is just, returns. So yeah, I definitely recommend this 3-pack. I will link it in the description if you guys want to purchase it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.